Hey, what's up everyone? This is Johnny with JCS Performance. So we just installed our outside crankcase breathers for Sandy, our shop bike 117 cubic inch motor build. And so I just want to take this opportunity, since we're going to install our catch can and catch can mount, I wanted to take this time and show you guys the catch can and also how simple it is to install. Now this bracket is for the Softail models, Lowrider S, Lowrider STs, any kind of Softail, and we do not sell the mount separate. It comes with the kit, and this is on our website or on our social media pages. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. But meanwhile, let me show you how we install. All right, so I already took off the rear passenger foot peg mount. So it is a T45 Torx. So I do want to take this opportunity and let you know that the bottom bolt here is where the mount goes for the Lowrider STs that have that saddlebag mounts. So it goes there. You're going to have to remove that mount as well, remove the foot peg. If you don't have saddlebags, you'll need a bolt here, which comes in the kit. So you're going to go ahead and install the catch can mount first, and then your peg mount and saddlebag mounts are going to go underneath the catch can mount. So once you get all this nice and tight, make sure that you use red Loctite. So the holes may be a little extra once you get everything wired tight down, but it's going to be probably the only part that you're going to have to trim. So what I would recommend is for you to wrap a little bit of black tape around it. So when you cut it, either with a blade saw or some kind of shears or something, it does not fray. You can see where the black tape keeps the coating of the holes really nice, and it doesn't fray and get ugly. So then at that point, we're going to go ahead and install our hose clamp. So let me go ahead and cut this now. All right, guys, so we already cut the hose, and you can see right there towards the bottom where we don't want it hanging below the catch can itself, just so you don't catch anything on the highway or whatever the case is. We've got our hose clamp already installed nice and tight. So this is a real nice, great system. The good thing about this system is once in a while, or every other oil change or every oil change, you're going to go ahead and remove the bottom, and most of the times there'll be a little bit of condensation and water in here. Just dump it out. But this is a perfect system to keep all that junk from going back into your motor, getting everything carbonized and getting your pistons all dirty and stuff, and damaging your motor on the long run. So spend a little bit of money now, save your motor, and have the opportunity to enjoy your motor for years to come. But guys, if you guys have any questions on this, feel free to reach out to the shop. We'll have a bunch of videos on our social media pages regarding this. Guys, if you guys get a chance to help us share these videos. Once again, thanks for watching.